Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charles Fleece. In today's video, we'll be making handkerchief flay. So guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now, I'll fold the same way we normally cut circle flay. The same way we fold it, that's how I'll be folding it. Now you can see my fabric is on fold. I'll fold it into two equal parts and as well fold it again. Now I'm having 13 1/4 here. Let's just go with 13 inches here. 13, I'll cut 13 by 13. This 13 inches here and 13 inches as well. So I'll mark the 13 inches across. Then I'll go ahead and cut it out. So guys, you can see what we are having. The good thing about this handkerchief flay is most beautiful on skirts, even on dress. It's very beautiful. So you can see I have the equal parts cut out. In this one, I'm not going to shape. I will just cut out the radius here, depending on your waist measurements. So you measure out your waist measurement, take the radius that matches your waist measurement. Let's say we are working with 25 inches, or let's say we are working with 30 inches or 25. Okay, let's go with 25 inches. 25 inches divided, because our fabric is folded on, divided by 6.28. Now for the radius here, I divided 25 inches by 6.28. That is the normal standard measurement when you want to divide for your peplon. So guys, I divided 25 by 6.28. It gave me 4.9. Because of the seam allowance, I will make it 5 inches approximately. So I will have to locate where there is 5 inches, but before then I'll determine the radius. If I should use 2.5 as my radius, if I measure it out, it will give me 4.1/4. So I will extend it to 3 inches to get 5 inches for the waistline. So if I do it by 3, you can see I'm having 5 inches. So the radius here is 3 inches. That will be my radius. Don't be confused. The radius is different from the waistline. What did I say? The curve. The radius is the depth of the waistline. So I mark 3 inches across. So by the time I cut it out, you can see. So at this point, I'm not going to touch this edge. This is the handkerchief design. You can see. If I open it up, this is how it will look. Then if I place it as a peplon, you can see how it looks. So I'll go ahead and open up one side of the upper one. So I'm cutting through this, has that the place that has 2 folding, not the 1 folding. So I'll cut out 1. If you want, you can make it double. So guys, you can see the double handkerchief flay, how it looks. I went ahead to plait it, this bust plating. And this is the back. You can see I use a rope for it. The band has a rope. So whichever way you want, you can actually close it up the way you want. This is how it looks. You can see how beautiful it looks. Make sure you try it out. It's very simple and easy to make. And don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye until I see my next video.